Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Local Learnings. So I did a video this morning on pineapple weed, and I kind of wanted to show you guys how easy it is to make a sun tea. So the pineapple weed is part of the chamomile family, which means it's good for us for stress and anxiety. And we don't really think about the fact that when our bodies overheat, it's stress on our bodies. So making a sun tea out of this wonderful plant ally is a great thing to do, especially on a nice sunny day. So basically what you do is you find your pineapple weed, you give it a quick rinse. You don't want to wash off the medicinal properties of it, so you want to wash it in cold water. Like I said, give it a quick rinse, make sure there's not too many bugs on it or anything. And then give it a mild chop, throw it in a mason jar, fill it up with pure water, not tap water, but pure, beautiful water. Throw the lid on it and set it in a sunny location. So I have it out here in my garden, and by this afternoon, it's going to make a lovely cup of sun tea. It will get hot in the jar depending on how long you leave it there for. And it's really nice if you add just a little bit of honey. Whatever you don't use can go in the fridge for a later time. So get creative and build up those nutrients and bioavailable minerals for our bodies and make yourself a wonderful sun tea. Thanks so much for coming by my channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.